Have you ever stared at a blank email screen, unsure of what to write? Or perhaps you have spent too much time crafting an email only to feel unsure about it afterwards? Don't worry, because today we are going to show you how to take advantage of ChatGPT, a sophisticated AI language model from OpenAI, to write emails with ease and precision. Sounds exciting? Let's get started. First things first, you need to navigate to chat.openai.com, create a new account if you're new here, or just log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dialog box. Now this is where the magic happens. To get started with writing an email, simply type in a prompt like draft an email to my team about the upcoming project meeting. Then hit enter and voila! ChatGPT generates a well-drafted email. You can fine-tune the emails as per your needs or simply copy and paste it into your email client. It's that easy. Now let's try a few more scenarios, like writing a follow-up email to a client or crafting a friendly email to a colleague. The possibilities with ChatGPT are endless. And there you have it, folks. Writing emails has never been that easier, thanks to ChatGPT. Remember, the more specific your prompt, the better the AI can assist you. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and we will get back to you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with others who might benefit from this cool tool. As always, we'll be back with more tech tips and tutorials. Until then, happy emailing.